Hey there, classmates. So for today's discussion board post, I'm viewing myself as an instructional designer for the Department of Defense Education activity, the company that I work for. So the vision statement is, the Department of Defense Education activity Center for Instructional Design empowers a global workforce by innovating high-quality digital instructional material, facilitating professional intercontinental person-to-person training, and promoting the efficacy of the DoDEA mission statement. So just to break that down real fast, obviously high quality digital instructional content is a focus. Professional intercontinental person-to-person training. So this goes on now through Skype or Google Hangouts and other platforms such as that. But more can be done. The Department of Defense Education activity is an enormous organization. We have schools in the Pacific, we have schools in Europe, we have schools in America, and even in Central America. So, being the benchmark government agency of being able to do this would be a great goal at hand. And then promoting the efficacy, because the organization is so enormous. You think about the leadership tier all the way down. A mission statement gets sent out. You got to really wonder about like a school all the way in Japan. Does the efficacy of the mission statement really get the rubber to the road there in Japan? So I really think that instructional design organization could really help to bring about that efficacy. Now, in terms of the reading that we did this week, I have to say, just real 2 points. Really enjoyed the idea of technology being a disruptive force to the way that we communicate and the way that we organize ourselves in an organization. That paired with the first article in the handbook, the idea of learning styles and technology and which one pushes which. I think that's a fascinating notion. I will say just one thing that I see in education in this day and age, when students can look up any factoid at a push of a button, or even in my realm, learning a musical instrument, they can learn the trumpet online through YouTube if they so desire. The question becomes, what is the role of the teacher? And I've really advocated for the notion that as teachers, we must take off that master teacher hat that we've been donning for centuries and put on a master learner hat. A very what seems to be a small change, but it has enormous implications that we can teach students how to learn the material that we are working with, that we are master learners. We all have the same access now to the same information, but I'm standing as an expert on how you interact with this material. That's all I have. Thank you very much.